Come, water. Throw half of this water. Wait, Sarah, let Ty do it. Tell her hold some properly. Go over. Throw it in. Sarah, mix. Mix. Mix it.
Still no banana fritters.
Because it's bad.
She not sure nothing. What the girl is
The Fave's been asking how is mommy. Tell them how is mommy. Update on mommy.
She's.
Wow, look at Papa. Show Papa. Honey.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Oh. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys see my face? I'm seeing you guys blurry. I just woke up. Today we had a whole day planned and it will not go according to what was planned, but we will not talk about that because it won't happen. So let's reshuffle and go again and start the day. So how are you guys doing? I am tired. I'm still trying to recover from babe party and it's been 2 days since that happened, but you guys are seeing this the following day and decor is still up. Let me show you guys that I'm not even joking. Look, decor is still up. Table is still in place, though most of that decor most of it will come down, but some of it will stay up because I have Tyler's birthday party in 2 days. So I'll just keep the space as it is. I won't put back my couch in place, nothing, because Tyler party is coming up fast. I have that to do. So you guys will see what I'll transform this space into again for Tyler's birthday. But anyway, I'm going to get on with my day and I have a bunch of things here to clean up that I purchased yesterday at the store. Say good morning.
Good morning.
And yeah, so hopefully you guys have a good day. Subscribe if you're new to the family and catch up and keep up with us. And of course, I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. What you have to say for yourself?
I want to tell you that for my birthday I'm sure we're going to change, of course, the candles.
We'll change everything.
The balloons.
Yes. So we only keep in the backdrop. But we won't tell them what theme your party is until on the day. You excited?
Yes.
Alright, you guys.
If you're not telling them, they think that means you are showing them the cakes the same day as me.
The same day. They'll see everything the same day. Anyway, guys, Sarah is down there. Everybody's just slowly waking up and getting in the groove of things to start the day. I have some extra ripe banana here, so I think I'm gonna make some banana fritters for them. Yay! Right now. I know he'll be happy when he hears that. Anyway, you guys, I'll catch you guys for the rest of today. Sarah, say morning, Faves.
I want to help you.
You want to help me?
Help you. I don't want to mix it.
You want to make the banana fritters with me?
Yes.
Alright. Where is your chef outfit? You forget to get a chef outfit for your Christmas?
I know, but I don't know where it is. You have it. Not to me.
Hey.
C'est le meilleur chef du monde. Je suis le meilleur chef du monde.
I need to get Sarah one of these.
And for you?
I already have one. I have two.
Can you put on one?
You want me to put on one?
Yes.
It's different. You want to put on one.
If one chef is here, two chefs is here.
No, you're gonna let Sarah ask for one and I don't have any for her. Well, I hope she don't come around here because she gonna cry. Alright, banana fritters time?
Yeah.
Come chef, come on here. wanted one of these picnic bags since forever, and I finally got the perfect one yesterday. So I'm super happy about that. Too banana. And we're gonna smash
Et le
it.
presse-pourri.
Yes.
Le presse-pourri.
What you need to pan in front of you. Get down and put your step. No.
Banana.
Get down and put your step in front of the stove. You don't need to go. You don't need to go. Do you hear it making any noise? No.
It's a little.
That's the only noise you're supposed to hear.
C'est bon.
No, Ty. It's supposed to be smooth, smooth, soft, soft. Come on, get your muscles in it. What you want? You want to put on clothes? I told you that she was gonna want apron. Mama don't have no apron for you. You want one of this one? No, where are you going? Come, you want mama own? Come, come sit up here.
It will be too big like a queen. Then put on your.
I'm gonna put on one like tie tie. Look at tie tie.
Chef tie-tie.
Just the hands like this.
You was right. He was going to cry.
So cute. Mama gonna have to buy you an apron, okay? Stand up. Stand up. See, wow. Wait, let Mama fix it.
We don't have enough banana.
Stand, stand. Wow. You're gonna mix like tie-tie? Wait.
She said jump.
Okay, sit.
Bluey.
Go like this.
Is Bluey. C'est moi, Bluey want to take a photo. Want
Yes,
to take
ma'am.
a picture. And after c'est dans Bluey, c'est pourquoi tu as pris le presse-pourri à la place de l'appareil photo.
Bonjour Sarah. Bonjour Tyler.
You know what I did to face?
What?
I see.
Papa is not feeling well. Papa have these moments where his back is just blocked. So he's like this, like when you have a crook neck. So that's what Papa been feeling since probably like Thursday night. Let Mama help you. Like Thursday night. So he's trying to wait. He's trying to get it back.
And scratch.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Okay?
Okay.
Slowly. Fix this. Anyway, come Tyler, come add in your ingredients. Look for salt around there.
I can put
Hold
sugar.
your hand. You get a little salt, you get a little salt. Throw it in.
She have
Throw
more
it
than
in.
me.
That's okay.
Me, I can mix.
Wait, we put sugar. Who
Can
wants
I mix
sugar?
first?
Wait, Ty, sugar. Put it in.
Thank me.
Give you more than her?
Yes.
You're too funny. Stop comparing each other. Okay? It's not more than and less than.
Papa, it's a market.
Okay, now we need a spoon.
Mama,
Yes.
what
Yeah.
a beer is doing here? beer.
A beer?
Yes. I know
To
it's a
drink.
beer because I need it to drink
Mix.
beer. So why?
Oh, water. Throw half of this water. Wait, Sarah. Let Ty do it. Tell her hold some properly. Go over. Throw it in. Sarah, mix. Mix. Mix it.
Still no banana. So just
No, it's not soap, it's banana. Now we put flour. Throw it in. No, not in your hand, this one.
all of it. Can I mix?
Wait, I have to mix the first part. Wait, wait.
No.
I have to lump up. Stop with this, Mama Mia. Where you get that from? You guys, look at my husband how he's holding his head. Hi, babe. Say say good morning, babe. He can't turn around. He can't turn around to look at you guys. Poor thing. Oh my gosh. Poor babe. How you feel? We need to take something. We've been rubbing it with Voltaren and I don't know, with babe on this back. I took down Papa balloons and leave only this thing on the wall because Tyler package don't have any of this, so I'm gonna use this one for Tyler's. What are you doing? Look at it. Get it. Ty, be careful it bursts. Ty, let Sarah share. You need to share. That's why you're bumping in balloons.
Yes.
Share, okay? Okay, Sarah?
Why this more?
Because it was against the wall. Honey? Can I love to Sarah no screaming. Ty turn. Ty turn.
Please?
Give Ty now.
You say no, I'm mine.
Ty turn. Yes. Share. Then Ty gonna give it back to Sarah. Give it to Ty now. Sarah, be nice. Give it to Ty please. Sarah, no. Give it to her and she give it back to you. Give it to Ty in his hand. Very good. Look, Ty turn now. Sarah turn.
Yes, Sarah.
See? Sarah turn. Good job. Now you do a turn, okay? Right. Good job. Now Ty turn. Give it to Ty now. Put it in Ty hand. Good job. Now Ty turn. Now Sarah turn. Good job. Run, Sarah. Run. Okay, Sarah turn. You see, that's how you share, okay?
Run. Have a turn.
Tyler.
Yes, Mama.
You-
Attrape le ballon.
Get it, Sarah, get it.
Le ballon. Il s'en va de plus en plus haut.
Be careful.
Only one place.
To make dinner right now, and I have a confession. Let me just confess that my little diet that you guys saw me been on, let me just call it a day for the rest of the week, because that is for the rest of the week. Babe birthday, just threw it out the window. Lots of chocolate cake, lots of cream cake,
Put the fault on me.
all that food, festival. I think I
You could have
ate
put
about
salad on
5
the side.
festival. And then client dinner last night with Babe. The food was so good. I ate so much. And then more cake left over. That Babe just cut piece a while ago, and I taste a piece, and then I taste a piece more, and I taste a piece more. And then Tyler's birthday, 2 days. A whole week of eating crap. But I can't just forget the diet this week, but I'm still trying to hold on for dear life. But anyway, dinner, I'm doing jerk chicken. People probably wonder, what is my dieting about? I'm dieting to eat better, and I'm dieting to lose this pouch right here. The most difficult thing to go. See, I'm working on it. I'm working on the little belly. Yes, and encouraging my husband along his journey. Anyway, you guys, it's been a very boring kind of day, restful kind of day, relaxing kind of day. Since we put off our whatever we were supposed to do today, we're just lounging around today and enjoy the day as it comes. So I'm making dinner right now. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys making for dinner. Today is Sunday, so by the time you guys seen this, Sunday would have already passed. So tell me what you had for dinner last Sunday. Let me hear who have curry goat, who have fried fish, who have oxtail, who have what else, all the good stuff. Comment down below and let me know. Mac and cheese, yes, that part. Alright guys, dinner for my babies. I'm giving them sausage because the jerk is gonna be way too pepper for them. So there goes their ding ding. And then here goes jerk chicken and broccoli for babe and dog. This is mine because I'm not really that hungry. Look at the competition, you guys walk down the street to the bottle bean. Look at them. This is what we put the shark bottle in. Sarah, foot hit you? Oh, they're trying to see who can get more. Wait, Ty, wait, let she come out first, Ty. Wait! Ty, let she come out of the bag first. Right. Oh my god, the competition to try. Oh my gosh. Ah. How many remain?
I don't know.
Wait, Tyler, the 2 hands cannot go in the bag one time.
Six.
Take it out, Sarah. I think it's the big one remain. Tyler, you're so funny. Look at her struggling. Tyler, leave your hanging, sis. See Papa helping you. Oh, the big one came out already.
I win.
Look how he's...
I win.
Yay!
I win.
You win, so you carry the bag home.
No, it's the loser that carries the bag home.
My birthday is my birthday.
Oh, you want me to organize a party to put salad and tomatoes and cucumber.
My birthday, I'm allowed to do anything.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make a party for you
Uh-huh.
here, like you did, and I'm gonna put the food. So you're gonna have tomatoes, cucumber, zucchini,
Cheese.
yeah,
Grilled
just the
cheese.
feta cheese. No, you can't get too much blue cheese.
Speak up so they can hear you.
Just feta cheese and.
So why not the brie cheese? Is the brie cheese I like? I like the
Yeah,
feta
but
too,
it's just one slice is okay. You can't have too much brie cheese.
Why not?
Not good for your head. So I'm gonna do that. Don't worry, you're gonna have a radish.
I don't like radish.
Well, you're gonna have radish and salt or butter. Not butter, it's not good for you. Salt. What else can I get to you? Like celery, like the green celery.
So you're gonna have a salad party for me?
Yeah. And raw veggies party for you.
I know, man. I'll eat up.
Oh
You
yeah.
guys.
So it's gonna be you, and in the back I'm gonna have a real party with real food. I mean.
You hear what he's gonna do for my birthday? He's gonna give me a salad party and then have a real party around the back for him and his friends.
Salad party, yeah. Radish party, yeah.
I've been eating like crap since babe's birthday.
She accusing me, so I'm gonna.
The amount of sugar that I've had since babe's birthday. I ate cake, all the different types. I ate macaron and they're so irresistible. How many macarons I ate today, babe? If I don't eat,
Look, she
ate
ate
six.
herself.
Six.
She ate more than everybody else together, and then she says it's my fault. She said, "Babe, can you go to the fridge and get me a macaron?" My fault. I don't give her one macaron. I give her the box.
Exactly.
For her
I
to
asked him
choose.
for one and him give me the entire box. And then when I take the one, he leave the box beside me. Don't expect me to take another one when I finish. But I'm stressed out this week. I'm stressed out. The food's stressing me out. And Tyler's birthday gonna have pizza and all these yummy things. More cake, and I'm looking forward to Tyler cake because it tastes good. And ice cream. Who have birthday party without ice cream?
Okay.
And Tyler say want crepe. Oh my gosh. So Tuesday is gonna
So
be a
because of me,
nutty
I
bag.
tell her, babe, you need to do something else. So she gonna do some little chicken. Thanks to me.
Plus
It's
chicken
gonna be real
wings.
food.
The chicken wings gonna be real food.
Yeah, man.
So you're gonna eat it with salad. You're not gonna have enough for pizza on Tyler's birthday. You guys, right now I feel uneasy. Then babe come and offer me cake just now at 10:30 at night.
Listen to me. I just put some unsalted nuts in my mouth. She look at me and say, "Why you not offering me some?"
It's true. Well,
And
he
now
already
she's complaining when I offering cake.
he already sent me to hell, so might as well he just continue to send me there. Anyway, guys. Oh,
Give me the water.
unsalted, no stroking you. A goodies because you don't give me any. I'm watching drinking of my water. You want the belly?
I give it to you. So why is it in your water?
Because it's bad.
She not share nothing. What the girl tasty?
The fave's been asking how is mommy. Tell them how is mommy. Update on mommy.
She's improving, should I say.
What's the progress?
She told me today that she didn't use the wheelchair.
She didn't use the wheelchair. She's no longer
She
using
was
it.
only using the
Push walker.
right. So she went downstairs. I won't say to the gym. It's not gym. It's like where
Rehab.
she right. So
So what?
she could have go.
Oh, using the push
Yeah.
thing?
She said she
Okay.
struggled come back because
After standing up. So
yeah, after all of the kind of walking,
the exercise that they gave her.
She struggled after, but she was okay. She could have done that. So
Okay.
that's progress. She's not there by herself yet, but she alright.
And she'll be there until probably next 3 weeks into probably a month, 3-4 weeks.
Yeah.
But progress, and that's
Progress.
good.
As long as there's progress,
Right.
this is good.
Right. If there was no progress, then we would start worrying. But as long as there is progress, there is hope.
Mm-hmm.
You're digging out the nuts out your teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Them just stuck in it all night. Anyway, you guys, we are ending today's vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, which I know you did. So please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Why babe squeezing my finger with his ring? The ring is a
Showing you
symbol
love.
of your love, you know. It's not a symbol of hurt.
Showing you love.
By squeezing my finger with the ring, that's not a symbol of his love, it's a symbol of hurt. Anyway, I see a sign flashing on my camera. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Give this a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, videos in the baby. Catch fun, keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Can't
Oh,
do
and
that to
babe,
me.
babe neck is still hurting. He can't hold his neck properly, so
Wait.
I can give him all the chocolate.
She does.
Then slap him in his neck and he can't run me down. And jump on him like chop chop chop. You have to stay still.